to a brand new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you what I've got on offer for you leading up to Christmas. Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to hit that like button and hit that subscribe down below. I'm going to give you a chance to learn with me. I'm going to be offering an exclusive package where you can take your first steps to become a magician. In this package, what I'm going to be offering is 2 controls, 2 sleights and 3 routines that you can use every day as a beginner magician. Each one of these is going to be on a separate lesson, starting off at some more basic things and moving towards intermediate. Each person who orders one of these packages will receive their own deck of cards that they can use to practice, along with links to these exclusive lessons where you can learn these tricks from me. If you order throughout December, I'm going to be offering a little added extra inside each deck of cards, which will give you the ability to perform 2 extra routines if you order at any point in December. Whether it's a gift for yourself or for someone else, and whether it's for a child or an adult, this is the perfect gift for anybody. For anybody learning from these packages, will get exclusive mentorship from me as you go on this journey to become a magician. And throughout your learning process, I'll be adding further packages where you can learn more and more tricks from myself that will get more and more advanced as we go along. So from day one, you'll be able to get this first package, and over the next couple of months, I'll be adding more and more as you'll be able to see coming up. So don't forget to hit that subscribe button to make sure you don't miss out on any future content. If this sounds like something that you want, then comment magic below in the comment section. And if you've got any questions, my email address will be in the description. Fire something across to me and I'll get back to you as soon as I possibly can. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you have a good night. Peace.